Homa Bay ni Rowere mong'ere kaka Gen Z boma Oyugis obago ng'anyo wi paro mar chik mar omenda ka gimako chung' ka tiendgi tok jatend piny Kenya William Ruto wacho ni oikore mar twak kendo kawo pachgi e wi paro ma kamano. Giwacho ni jatend piny Ruto ok en jaadiera kendo gisingo madhi nyime kendo riwore gi jowetegi counties mamoko e ng'anyo ka dwachgi maduong' en ni paro mar chik mar omenda owit oko. Ma timore kinde ma jod bura pod dhi nyime gi twak kendo chiwo pachgi moko kuom lokruoge ma gidwaro mondo oket e wi paro mar chikno mar omenda.
Yesterday, when the president said that he wants to engage the youths and the Gen Zs, all those things are lies, because this is a kind of a government that cannot even keep the promises that he made to the electorates.
One thing I want the president to know is that we are not our parents, we are the Gen Zs, so that he should be careful with what he says. If he wants to talk to us, let him reject the finance bill. We are not going to allow anything that is going to tell us until he rejects the finance bill. To make a reject is like an ex. It's like a man we have dated before. We know the sequence. And it is going to be the same thing over and over again. We are rejecting the whole thing. We are not amending the thing. President Ruto rejects that thing.
We are telling the president that we are not going to engage with him in any form of negotiation. The first thing first, the bill must be rejected. The bill must be withdrawn from the parliament. Then you are going to have